Alright, so we're going to have a look at another question. This one comes from the 2022 HSC Standard 2 Maths paper. So this is question 22. So we're told the formula C equals 100 N plus B is used to calculate the cost of producing laptops, where C is the cost in dollars, N is the number of laptops produced, and B is the fixed cost. Find the cost when 1,943 laptops are produced, and the fixed cost is $20,000 and 180, so 20,180. So the cost is going to be 100 times the number, that's 1943, plus the fixed cost, which is 20180. So we can put this in our calculator. We're going to get 100 times 1943 plus 180. This gives us 214,480. So this is $214,480. And this is the total cost associated with producing 1,943 laptops with the given fixed cost. Now this is worth 1 mark. You have to get the correct answer in order to get that 1 mark. So this was part A. Part B, some laptops have extra features added. The formula to calculate the production cost for these, so we'll call this cost 2, is 100 times N plus AN plus 20180. A is the additional cost in dollars per laptop produced. Find the total number of laptops produced if the additional cost is $26 per laptop and the total production cost is $97,040. So this means C2 is $97,040 and A is 26, because we're told in the question A is the additional cost per laptop, and then it tells us additional cost is 26. So we can plug this in. 97040 is 100 times N plus 26 times N plus 20,180. We have two like terms here. We can minus 20,180 from both sides. 20,180. So this gives us 97040 minus 20,180. 76,860 is equal to 100n plus 26n, that's 126n. Divide both sides by 126. This gives us n is equal to 76,860 divided by 126. The calculator tells me this is 610. And this is an exact value. So therefore n is 610. And this means that 610 laptops were produced under these conditions. In terms of the marking for part B, this is worth 2 marks. You get 1 mark for making correct substitutions into the formula. So for identifying C and A as being equal to certain values, C in this case being equal to 97042, I've called it C2, you could have just called it C, it works either way. And then you get the answer mark for a correct solution. So getting n is equal to 610. So this is a fairly straightforward finance question. Works in a reasonably nice way. The marking is reasonably straightforward.